Maybe you all can notice this lizard. It's a reptile. I just noticed it on a tree. And I was amazed, and I wanted to record this, that there is so much around us, but we are not able to see. We're just lost. There's so much life around us, no matter where you are. I have been lost, and I'm trying to gain some sense of sanity by looking what's around me in the nature. So I encourage you, wherever you live, no matter where you are, there's nature everywhere. And probably every now and then, just find and look in that nature, in your surrounding, what you haven't seen, what you haven't observed in a long time. Look at that. There's a lizard, there's a reptile on a big tree, and then there's a small sapling. I think it's probably a seed. It's not the same tree, or maybe it's the same tree, sapling of the same tree coming up. So I just go out, observe something in nature which you haven't observed in a while. And when you shift your attention and awareness from all about me, life starts to take a different meaning. You see it differently, you contemplate, and it leaves you a little bit more wiser, because you realize there's so much to observe, there's so much to experience just where you are. You don't have to go to a new town, to a new destination. There's so much happening right where you are, around you. So just go, observe, and soak in nature, and see what new you see in your surroundings. Rise and shine. Om Shanti.